Today's the day.
Today's the day. All good things must come to an end, and unfortunately, it's the end of Model S. This car, it's the end.
The green Tesla Model S is going away.
It's going away.
Green, gold, whatever.
Bye.
Color shift.
Bye. Yeah, so I guess you can tell by the title. Green Model S is going away, but first there's some things we need to do to it. The wrap. It's gotta come off. But then it's only going away for a week.
Oh, yeah.
And it's coming right back.
Yay.
Getting it rewrapped. Yeah, sorry, I had to snoop you there. But yeah, so we're getting the Model S rewrapped. It's been an awesome time with the color shift car. I loved it.
I actually just had a bunch of school kids when I was at a stoplight today. They were going by like,
Yeah.
thumbs up.
It happens all the time with this car.
Yeah.
Everyone loves it, and I love it too. But it's time for something a little else. It's been this way for almost 2.5 years. It's right?
Yeah.
Right about, yeah, actually,
Well,
wow.
almost just over 2 years.
Just over 2. So it's been a while. And a couple other people have wrapped their car this color too. Again, no problem. But I want something new. And also, this wasn't ceramic coated when I got it done. So it's not that easy to clean anymore. And also, it has some rock chips in it that you're going to get with any vinyl wrap. You can even get it with paint protection film. But it's time to just get it redone. So we have some exciting stuff coming. But age-old question that all you asked me when I got it wrapped is, does vinyl hurt the paint? And we're gonna show you the answer to that rather than tell you, because that'll be the best way to see actually if it does. But yeah, I guess it's time we start the process. It's a lot easier to do when it's warm out. If it's not warm out, you can use a heat gun to kind of soften it up a bit. So we might have to break the heat gun out a bit because it was warmer, but now it's a little nippy now. It's like 60s.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll get to it and see how it goes. Okay, big pull. Oh, fail.
Pick it up. Pick it all up.
Oh, so close.
Ooh, it's almost like keep going. You have the Nike logo.
Oh yeah. Okay, so it is a new day. There's David. Say hi, David.
It's a new life. It's a new day.
Okay, so here it is. So, I mean, it actually, the wrap does protect it. The only thing, I don't know if you can quite see, there's a little dent like right here and a little dent right here from a hailstorm. But no matter what was done to the car, we still would have gotten those. But yeah, I mean, she cleans up really, really well. I mean, she's a little dirty now because we drove it here. Speaking of no applique on the back, you can see me. So yeah, there's no rear applique right now because I am changing out the lighted one. So that's gonna be blank for a little while, but it's okay, they can still do their work. We actually made an appointment for Model S when we picked up Model 3, and figured it's time. So we're gonna drop it off and see it in a week. Comment down below what you guys think we're gonna do to it. I don't know if they're gonna expect this one.
Some people probably will, some people probably won't.
Some might not. But yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model S, X, or Model 3, like this one, definitely check them out. Links all down below. Using code Tesla Inventory, all one word at checkout, will get you 15% off your first order. But that's pretty much it. I guess we'll see you in a week with an update on the Model S. Until then, thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. Here for some other ones. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.